Okay, fellas, we here at a No Cool car in Atlanta, ATL. So let's see what's going on. Okay, you just got back and it's not working, huh?
I had it on heat when I left because it was still cold, and I got back and, well, you live here, you know what it's like.
Yeah.
I just got everything off to try and limit the heat generation.
No, yeah, you're fine. No, that's fine. So it's 70, 76 in here, so it's not.
It was, dude.
Right, no, you're fine.
Attic flashlight.
All right.
All right.
So the indoor fan is running.
Yep. Yeah, so you can see power's going to the indoor fan.
Okay. Yeah, the outdoor isn't coming on, I don't think.
Outdoors, feels like the signal's getting sent, but it's still not.
Okay, so we'll worry about this filter after.
Jammed in there or something?
Yeah, it looks like it's jammed in there.
No idea when that was last.
Yeah, so we'll get that out. Let me go outside and see what's going on, okay?
Sure.
And then we'll definitely get that out too.
Like a weird sensitive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep, you want to keep this open here just in case you need to go back?
Yes, sir, yeah, because we got to change that filter out.
I can go get some loppers on cover.
This is what them linemen for, boys. Oh, don't mess with my blade. Yeah, this thing got this thing tight on here.
I know, and of course they put the part you gotta pull off facing the other.
Exactly.
Hey, listen, the best part is though, I can say it wasn't me.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I don't know who, but it wasn't me.
It wasn't me.
Came like this, I don't know.
Ow, damn. All right, so the contactor is not pushed in. Let's see what we got right here. This thing is bothering me. We got 24 volts going in, not coming out. So let's check that pressure switch. Oops, yep. Pressure switch is open. All right, check the pressures on this. Oh wow, this thing don't got no refrigerant. It's not doing anything. Oh wow. So I'm pushing these shraders in and nothing coming out. Let me just go get my gauges just to confirm that and take a picture. It looks like you don't got no refrigerant, man.
No coolant?
No coolant at all. That is crazy. Have you ever had to fill it up before?
No, I haven't touched the unit since I moved in. I've been here about 3 years.
Wow, okay. So let me go get my gauges to confirm that. So I told him, looks like you don't got no refrigerant. He said, oh wow, well, it's gonna be an easy fix, right? And I was like, easy for me, hard for you, buddy. 0. Nothing. I didn't hear anything. Oh, man, so many stuff back here. 0. Take a screenshot of that. Damn, these mosquitoes. So serial number starts with 18. This looks like it's a 2018 compressor. Factory charge 410A, 115. That's about 7 pounds. So, yep. Let's go see what happens. All right, guys. So, sorry, I just got another call that came in, but sorry. So I spoke with him. I let him know the price for the leak test, the repair, if it is repairable, and if not, he would just pay for the leak test. And he said he's gonna get back to me, but I got a feeling we'll be back here, man, because my prices are pretty good and reviews are pretty good. So I'm thinking he's shopping, quote shopping, but it is what it is, man. That's the price for the repair. Now, what I do is I send him a price for the leak test and a repair if it's able to be repaired, and the refrigerant, and just the price for the leak test if it's not repairable, like if it's a coil or outdoor coil, you know, if it's something that has to be ordered, then we'll send them a separate price. But that's it for this one, folks. This is yesterday I found one with 0 refrigerant. It was a R22 system. This is a 410. So yep, this is the second one in this week. So appreciate it, folks, for watching.